Okay, we're back. So here we have a pot. You can use a pan. I like to use the deep dish pot because later on you're going to go ahead and simmer the meat to cook. So go ahead and add some oil. You don't need much. And then add the marinated meat. Go ahead and sear the meat. Make them nice and brown. Go ahead and cook this for a couple minutes and until it's slightly brown. You don't have to fully cook it. Let me go ahead and cook this and I'll be back.